What you doing?
Looking at how this is stapled. So I've got linoleum in here because the carpet's dirty and filthy and the linoleum looks good. And it was like, how do we do this and make it match? And then I realized when they build these, they just put linoleum in from wall to wall. So I pulled the vent up in there with the heat and looked underneath it. Sure enough, the carpet's just sitting on top of the linoleum. There's going to be an edge to repair here. But that's the start of the linoleum. This trim board can come off. This can just get shorter, and then I can put a just carpet angled transition strip there, which I will get at Home Depot with my Yippic. So there's one dirty piece. Look at it.
Ugh. Ew. Look at the backside of that carpet. It's so dirty. Holy cow, look at this. This is amazing. The floor just continues from the bathroom to the hallway.
Look at the dust and dirt in there that we're breathing.
Yes.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Look at under here. Sand.
This is all sand that was underneath the carpet, that had gone through the carpet, through the pad.
A lot of it was laying on top of the pad.
Okay. On top of the pad then. But look at this. I mean, look at how much just, ugh.
We rented a steam cleaner and spent, I don't know, 6 hours steam cleaning carpets in here.
When we first got the rig.
When we first bought it.
Yeah.
Because it was twice as dirty as this. The problem is, as much as you clean it, the carpet's actually worn out.
Yeah. And plus, look at how good the floor looks.
Yeah.
I mean, this floor is going to look so good going into the bedroom. This is so great.
Can I vacuum now?
I love when you ask me when you can vacuum.
Can we stop recording?
Yeah. So you know how sometimes you run into surprises in projects? We just ran into a surprise we did not expect. Here's the floor underneath the padding. Look at that pretty vinyl. It's all through the rest of the coach. And then we pull up here and look.
They stopped short.
They stopped. It's not the whole room. We're going to figure out a new solution. What are you doing?
Making a mess.
Why is the bed up like this?
Because we got to cut the carpet out of this thing and the carpet goes under the bed. And I have to pull the prop rods off so we can lift the bed up higher and wrestle this panel out of here.
We got the bed propped up. The mattress is out. The platform that provides the storage is out. And now the man is under the bed slicing up the carpet carefully because this is where the mechanism for the slide is. And all these wires are going to be cleaned up because SuperDave cannot abide messy wires, my friends. He cannot. SuperDave is right now tearing this carpet and the padding up, and we are going to put down some new carpet, but not just carpet. It's going to be carpet tiles. So we have researched and read that carpet tiles are a great way to go, and we're pretty convinced they are, because guess what? We would have gone with just the sheet goods that's under the carpet, but surprise, it's not the whole room. We didn't expect that. So we're adapting and we're overcoming because we're like the Marines. This is the hard surface floor, which stops right there. But look at how great this is looking. All the carpet has been pulled out. We had to leave the carpet. Okay, unfortunately, we had to leave the carpet underneath the dresser because there is just no good way to pull this dresser and this hamper out of here. It just doesn't make sense. But
this,
look how great that's going to be when it's just going to butt right up against there.
That's right up, you'll never notice.
Can't even see it. And you know, sometimes in an RV you got to do what you got to do.
And these are peel and stick, so if we get one dirty, we can peel it up and put a new one down.
I know, I love that about peel and stick.
That's a great part.
Yeah.
But we'll also not wear our shoes in here full of sand.
Yes. Yeah, so this is really exciting. Project's coming along really nicely. We've got the bed, as you can see, we got the bed up, tipped up. Slide mechanism is under the bed here, so we get to vacuum all the little sand and dirt and everything that's out of here, and then we'll eventually get this closed back up and we will have a whole new floor in our bedroom. We're so excited.
Being that we can't tuck under edges and stuff, we want the edges really good, so I'm going to spray some 3M glue along the edges, and I just want to protect for overspray. So we'll spray that down, let it tack up, peel the tape off, and then we'll start laying flooring.
This is the big reveal. We've got a transition strip there. We've got all new carpet tiles. Goes all the way back. Oh my God, he did such an amazing job. This carpet is so much better. So much better than what we had before in here. Now, we didn't really want to replace carpet with carpet, but we found out that the sheet goods only came from the hallway about 1/3 into the room. So we ended up having to go with carpet anyway, and carpet tile was the best way to go. So that is a beautiful job done. Thanks again to SuperDave.